Guys, I've discovered the exact method this channel used to achieve 100% monetization, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it too. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT for ideas, LEONARDO AI for visuals, CapCut for editing, and 2 secret AIs for creating music and enhancing video quality. While many YouTube gurus promise success, I'm here to help you build a channel that earns real income. Don't skip any steps. Each one holds the secrets to success. Hit like, subscribe, and let's dive in. First, find the video with the highest views from your competitor in the same niche. Analyze their video idea. If you find it appealing, take a screenshot of the channel and go to ChatGPT. If you don't have access to the Pro version, there's a free alternative called Poe. On Poe, upload a screenshot of the channel and type something like, "I want to make these kinds of videos. Now I'm going to make 10 different prompts like these, very precise and high quality." Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate 10 high-quality prompts. Next, let's create professional visuals. Go to LEONARDO AI and click Image Creation. Select the Phoenix 1.0 model. It's the newest and best suited for this type of video. Choose how many images you need for the project and set the image resolution to a vertical 9:16 ratio, ideal for YouTube Shorts. Input your first prompt, and the AI will generate an image. Review the result carefully to ensure it fits your vision. Sometimes, the AI might produce images with minor issues. Repeat this process for all your prompts, reviewing every image. Now you'll have a collection of high-quality visuals for your project. Remember, visuals are key to engaging your audience, so don't rush this step. Now let's animate your images, and after that, I'll show you a secret neural network that will create songs for your video. Go to Runway, sign up or log in and click Generate Video. Upload the images you created in LEONARDO AI. Copy and paste the prompt from LEONARDO AI into Runway. Check the video resolution and select the duration, then click Generate. Once the animation is ready, carefully review the results. Runway provides excellent quality, but sometimes minor tweaks might be necessary. Repeat this process for each image to maintain consistency and creativity. When all animations are complete, download the individual video clips. Keep in mind that these clips will have a watermark, but don't worry, we'll handle this during the editing stage, so it won't affect your final product. To make our videos look better, we need to improve their quality. But first, as promised, let's create our song. To do this, go back to Poe and ask, write 10 music genres that would fit these prompts. Once ChatGPT generates the genres, choose the one you like best. Now, to create our song, head over to the LEONARDO AI website. I've included the link in my Telegram channel. When you're on the home page, log in using your Google account, and it will take you to a simple interface. From there, click on Create. On the next page, make sure to enable the custom option by toggling the switch. Paste the music genre you copied and click Create. In just a moment, LEONARDO will generate 2 tracks based on your input. Listen to both, pick your favorite, and download it. Now, as promised, let's improve the quality of our video. Visit CapCut by following the link in my Telegram channel. Once you're on the website, go to Magic Tools, scroll down, and find Video Upscaler. Upload your video, and once it's uploaded, simply click Upscale and let CapCut work its magic. After it's done, click Export and then Download to save the enhanced version. Repeat this process for all your videos to ensure they look polished and high quality. Now, let's move on to the next step, creating the video. Open CapCut, click Import, and voila! All your assets will appear neatly in CapCut, ready to go. Organize the clips in a logical and appealing order. If the sequence doesn't flow well, simply drag and reposition the clips. As promised, let's remove the watermark from the video. Select each video clip and increase its size using the slider in the top right corner. Stretch the video so that the watermark is no longer visible. Crop the watermark out of each video, repeating the process for every clip. Now, as promised, I'll show you ways to make your videos eligible for monetization. For this, your video must be unique, showcasing your style and your work. At the end, I'll also share a hack that will definitely help you enable monetization, so don't switch off. First, let's add a professional touch with transitions. For more unique transitions, head over to the Trending or Overlay tabs in the Transitions menu. Choose a transition for each clip and adjust the length as needed. Experiment with transitions like starlight, slide left, or mix to make the video feel dynamic. By customizing each transition, you'll create a more polished, professional look. Next, let's add effects to our video. CapCut offers many interesting and free options. Go to the Effects tab and choose the effect that you like best. Drag it onto the timeline and sync it with specific moments in the video. Do this for each section of the video. I'll be adding different effects to almost every part, which will make it unique. Thirdly, let's add some music from LEONARDO AI. Drag the track to the timeline, trim it at the end of the video, and don't forget to slightly lower the volume in the top right corner. Fourthly, let's add sound effects. These will add atmosphere to our video. If you don't want to search for sound effects yourself, head back to Poe and type right keywords for each prompt to find sound effects. Poe will give you keywords, copy them, and head to Pixabay. On Pixabay, you'll find a wide range of sound effects. Select the sound effects category and paste the keywords into the search bar. Browse the results and choose the sound effects you like. Make sure they match the mood of your video, as they're one of the key elements. Download all the effects that fit your project, then go back to CapCut. Add them to the timeline and sync them with the exact moments in your video. Click on the sound effect in the timeline and adjust its volume to ensure it complements the scene without overpowering the main audio. The sound effect should enhance the video, not dominate it. Use sound effects sparingly, ideally every 2 to 3 seconds, to set the atmosphere without overwhelming the viewer. Now, let's make everything even more polished and professional. Choose a filter that fits the mood of your video. For example, drag it onto the timeline and stretch it to cover the entire video. Once added, adjust the filter's intensity. I recommend 50 to 60% to make it even more engaging. Finally, export your video. The full video will be on Telegram, link in the video description. Now, your video meets all the requirements for monetization. But as promised, here's the secret to 100% monetization approval on these videos. You need to provide value to your viewers, and that's key. For example, I've noticed by analyzing similar videos that people use voiceovers through services like 11 Labs or others. In the video, they share interesting and non-cliché facts about animals, sometimes slightly exaggerated, which YouTube recognizes as valuable content and grants monetization. This will also increase your views because people find such videos interesting. If you're looking for more inspiration and untapped niches with great earning potential, be sure to check out these videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ask any questions, and I'll answer them all.